Hello folks, Jason Klinkenbeard here with Rivers West Auction and auction time. We're in Arley, Montana today, and we've got a beautifully restored 3020 John Deere diesel tractor, and I'm just going to walk around and show you this here. About 70 hours on it since restoration, and that included some engine overhaul, the whole works. So I mean, this is kind of like a brand new tractor. It fires right up like a new one, and very well done, very well done. So I'm gonna just kind of walk around and show you. The front tires look to be about 80%. Now this is a narrow front end setup here, but we have a wide front end for this tractor, and it will be selling on the same day. If you're having troubles finding it, please give me a call and I'll walk you into where it's at, because it may not be on auction time. It may be on high bid the same exact day that this sells. Again, I'll show this rig running and all that, but just a nice clean deal. He's got a big old chrome stack on there. Rear tires, I put them at 65, but they're probably somewhere between 65 and 70%, I'm guessing. Upholstery's great on the seat. A little bit of a smudge on that right arm there, but it's not tore or anything like that. Lights work. It's got the quick hitch on the 3-point that goes with it, and there's another drawbar that goes with it that's got the clevis style drawbar, so you can swap that out for balers and things like that. And 2 sets of hydraulic remotes, and he was using this tractor to farm. He had a small operation here in Montana, putting up 25 to 35 acres of hay. Has this tractor, and a 730 that's been restored will also be sold same time as this one. And again, he was using them. He preferred the narrow front end for getting around in the field like he did. Sold out, moved out of the country, and asked me to sell these. So that's kind of the story behind this. So like I say, it's just a little dirt there, but it's all good that way. Go ahead and fire this thing up. Oh. Show this running and driving as well.